You know, I'm reading a lot about the imminent tax correction, and I want to share with you an opportunity how you could give financial advice, recommendations. If you really want to help your clients, they need to understand their options if the market should fall. I'm going to give an example. Back in 2008, when the market was at its lowest point, Congress waived RMD the following year, the required minimum distribution, because Congress didn't want to have people pulling out money on shares of stock that were 30-40% less than what they were the year before. And they waived RMD so they could let that stock value go back up to where it was and then tax the crap out of them once that happens. Let's take a look at the reverse side of this. If the stock market should fall, I'm just going to give an example. If the stock market falls 20%, then if you were to surrender that stock and immediately buy the stock back in a brokerage account, there is no 30-day wash rule moving from a qualified to a non-qualified account. You will owe income tax on the smaller amount. Now, if you put it in the exact same investment and it goes back to where it was, that market return is taxed as a capital gain tax if it's held for at least 13 months at 20%, instead of writing it back up and getting back to that potential 37%. So when the market does fall, look for the silver lining. If there is an opportunity to engage in conversation with clients about paying income taxes on a smaller amount, the investment is wonderful. It's just taking an opportunity of its discounted value. So just remember, if you're buying XYZ stocks or bonds or whatever and the market should fall, if you were to move that money directly into a non-qualified account, instantly, this is your new cost basis. If you write it back up because the market's going to come back to where it was, then you pay a long-term capital gain tax if held for at least a year compared to an income tax. Now, not everybody should do this, but I think as financial coaches, I think we should all have that conversation with our clients to help them understand what opportunities present themselves. Whoa, the sky is falling. What do I do? How about take advantage of it? Know the rules of the game you're trying to play so that you can put wealth on your side. Sure hope this helps. Thanks. If you want to learn more about how wealth works, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page, Tom Love, How Wealth Really Works.